I'm happy to see you again. I didn't have much time to do another video. So the last video was talking about preparing my workshop. I really prepared good for my workshop and I wish to do till this time 3 workshops. What actually happened is that I did only 2. One was very successful, one was not that good. All the people came, I had 12 people who came to the workshop and they all came after the workshop and said it was great. On the other workshop I had something like 30 people, most of them too young for this workshop. They were in the 10th grade and I tried to do the workshops with variations to their age. I guess what my feeling is they didn't like it that much. So my conclusion is the workshop is suitable and better to adults and not for youngsters. I wanted to do 3 workshops, eventually doing only 2, but what very interestingly happened, I did many more workshops in other fields. I did many karate workshops at the same time, so I was really happy that my wish to do workshops was answered by the universe, by God, or however you want to say or choose to think it happened. So I'm very, I feel blessed that everything happened. Just I had many workshops. I had like 2 other workshops in school and 1 other workshops in a karate dojo. And tomorrow I have a workshop teaching self-defense. So everything goes well. What I know about myself from the history is sometimes I reach a certain stage and then I stop pushing because okay, this is comfortable for me. And my wish for this time is if I have workshops and I have things that going on the right way, the way that I want them to go, I want it to continue. So my wish for the next 30 days is to continue doing workshops, and more than that is advertising myself, improving the way I advertise myself, the way I get out to the audience. So if you see this video and you see my content, you can tell me how can I improve and how can I do better videos and how can I become a better vlogger maybe. And I'm going to continue on monitoring myself and recording myself, because after a while when I see all these videos, I see the improvement. And I see the way I did like 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 years ago till now. Maybe one of my first videos, people saw 260,000 viewers, and now I have less. But this video was different. My wish is to become better, and I want to make these videos short. Thank you very much.